He said 3 hours. You know, we don't know what transpired between then and now that the prosecution now wants 10 days. Your Honor, what has downloading of phone messages, call logs to do with the custody of the accused person? Nothing. They don't need him to download all those things they want to. They don't need him to process the DNA results which they have legally taken from the suspect. Your Honor, what the prosecution is doing, they are merely dragging Your Honor into their investigations. They want you to be part of it. By granting them more time so that they can continue abusing the suspect's rights.
He cannot go into facts. He addressed the facts. He is assured that to the facts. He has addressed the law. The only area that he can address you on is a matter of law. Whether the taking of DNA samples is lawful or not, that will be another day during the trial. It adds no value whatsoever to this proceeding.